I'm in the process of making up my Christmas table setting, and I thought I would show you how I'm doing my napkin holders. So what you're going to need are some full-size napkins, and then I had these picks from last year that I thought were so pretty, and then I couldn't find exactly what I was looking for, so I bought, this actually came as 3 of these together, and I just ripped off the stems so that I could have 6 of them instead. And then I went with this ribbon that I thought was really sweet. It looks like little snowballs. And then I also found these little craft snowflakes, and they have a hole in the middle so you can run your ribbon through at the end, like I did right here. So here's how I folded the napkins in just a very basic fold. You want to make your napkin into a square. And I'm just going to do it kind of rough, but you can make it a little more even when you're doing it, and then fold it into a triangle like that. And then you're going to take half the triangle back and start to make folds. And you typically do about 5. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And then you want to flip it over and do the same thing on the other side. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And then flip it over this way. And you'll see how it looks like this. And eventually you can fluff it out a little bit. And then you're going to take your piece of ribbon, and I think this is probably about 10 inches, and I'm going to make a tie. Just 1 knot. And that is where you're going to tuck in your pick. And then I just shoved the back of this back here, behind here. So we're going to push that through like that, and you may have to tighten up your ribbon a little bit more. And then run your snowflake through the middle of the ribbon. And then bring the other side around and give it a quick little tie. And then fluff it out a little bit. It makes a really pretty napkin setting.